Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you this Parkside Performance 12-volt cordless impact driver. The model number is PDSSAP12A1. It has a brushless motor. The maximum loosening torque is 170 Newton meters. The rated no-load rotation speed is 0 to 3600 RPMs. The rated impact rate is 0 to 4000 beats per minute. And it comes without a battery and without a charger. It has a 5-year warranty. And my goal is to show you this product in a better way than in a picture or online, so you can decide for yourself if this product is suitable for your jobs, yes or no. And on the back side is a multiple language description about this product. So quickly gonna open it up and show you what's inside. Of course, a multiple language manual which you can download in PDF online. And of course, it's in your language or a language that you will understand. Specification sticker. LED on the front. Trigger feels very nice. And it is a 4-speed button on the top. Let's give it a test. For this test I'm using a 2.5 amp hour battery. Also the new battery from Parkside. So we are outside. I made a little setup in my old piece of wood with some small screws, some bigger ones, some longer ones, and even the roofing, the Douglas wood screws. In this test I'm using the new bit set you can see in my other video. One dropped out, put it back. So it's a brushless machine and it has 4 modes, pre-selectable torque levels with the LED. You can easily switch between these levels here. It has a hexagon tool holder on the front side. It works clockwise or anti-clockwise. LED on the front. I'm using the 2.5 amp hour Parkside Performance battery, the new battery. The maximum torque is 170 Newton meters. The impact rate is up to 4000 a minute. And the speed is 3600 RPM. And it works on all Parkside X12 volt team batteries. Inserting the bit. First we're gonna try these ones on. First I'm gonna try it on setting 1. Setting 2. That's going very fast. And 4. That's so easy. Nice. You probably know, but to release the bit, you have to pull it to the front side, and then it will come out. So I'm gonna use the cross. Now these are a little bit thicker and longer. Try it on setting 1. Two. tree. That's going a lot easier. And 4. Oh. I broke the bit. Look at that. And that's just what we're gonna show if it happens. I broke the bit. I will show you why. You can see this is a very hard piece of the wood and the bit is still in there. Just broke. That easy. So, luckily we have another one. See if there is any damage. Should not break that easy. Changing it for the TX again. The Torx for these longer ones. Trying on setting 1 because they are a little bit thinner, but we're gonna see. And that's not what you want, so we try setting 2. It's getting in there. Setting 3. Setting 4. I will try this big ones. I think I'm not gonna make it all the way in. I've used these kind of screws in this type of wood to build my shed. But I don't know if this machine is suitable for these guys. We're gonna find out. All the way it gets in. Not further than this. The battery is still full. I think this is the maximum you can get these in. So it's not meant for these type of screws. But we can always try, of course. Now these are the bits I used from the bits set I made a video about last week. And most of the bits survived. Hardly been damaged, but it does give a lot of force in impact driver. So if a bit is not correctly fitted into the screw, like you bend it a little bit, it could happen. While removing the screws, when I was cleaning up, you can also see it broke a screw as well. So it has a lot of force. Now the screws, this one did go in very easily, like butter. That one did well too. Struggled a little bit more with this one on setting 1 and 2 and 3. 4 it did go well, and it's not suitable for these types of screws. As I said, I built my shed with this all the way through the Douglas woods. I have this 8 centimeters, or this is 10 centimeters, I guess, and the other ones are 16. So not suitable for this. Perfect for screwing, and it makes screwing very easy. But yeah, you don't have to break a bit every time, because then it's going to cost you a lot of money. So I expected more of this. I expected to handle these ones, but it didn't. Anyway, it's a very nice tool, and of course it's your opinion what you think about it. Showing it again with the specifications: 170 Newton meters, impact rate 4000 a minute, 3600 RPMs, clockwise, anti-clockwise, very nice trigger, very soft rubberized hand grip. So it's a very nice tool for small work, way easier than a normal screwdriver. You could see with the small screws. So I do like it. I expected more of it, and it was 49 euros I paid. It was not an offer, it was just a new product here in my country. But of course, it's your opinion, and as always, I show everything that happens, and this time one of these guys broke. Sorry for that. It's your opinion what you think about it, and please leave me a comment what you think about it. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see future videos, subscribe to my channel and you will be notified about new videos. I hope they show you this product in the right way, in a better way than in a picture or online. And for now, thanks for watching.